Ethan, you want to go? Let's go. Out. Hi, Brian.
Girls.
Brian. Come over here. Act over here. On it.
Ask Anthony, what's she doing?
I have a question for you. What's your question?
What is she making, Autumn?
I'm working on some embroidery. See, it's spooky. I'm trying to finish it out of college. See, I have goats, skulls, pumpkins, and now I'm working on this here leaf. Do you ever do any crafts? Yes. What kind of crafts do you do? Paint? Paint. Do you use any, what's your preferred method? Watercolor? Oil? Really? Yes. That's very cool. Or we see called things lost up. We do offer free savings accounts on Founders Day if you want to open an account. Yes. We get my Right. Would you join Jill and Karen's spell for me?
I'll spell your name, okay? How do you spell your name?
Who wants to start?
How do you spell your name? A. How do you spell your name? How do you spell awesome? Okay, how do you spell Levi? Come on. Yeah, good job. L-E-V-I.
Great. And also is that A,
How do you spell your awesome? A. U. T. U.
Yeah.
M. N.
You're like, I don't want to start this. And then you immediately start.
well, because there's nothing else to do. Now, if you come in any gold today and you want somewhere safe to keep it, you
Oh.
just refer to this here closet.
You have gold. You look for gold? Okay.
What, those packages for me? For me? Oh, wonderful. And I can take that as well.
Come on, we're standing in the sun. Let's go in the shade. Okay, that's fine. We're waiting for that chicken one.
Oh, this is the farmer's barbecue. Take a look. Good.
We're waiting for chicken.
Also, a Sutter's Grill down that way. And all kinds of things. That's our stuff. What's that piece of paper?
You
What
gonna show them? Is that your bank ticket?
Oh, you went to the bank. Can I see it? I'll give it right back, I promise.
To show yours to Levi?
Open up accounts, did you? It's very socially responsible of you. Let me see. Very nice, Levi. Very, very nice. Hey, have you read the paper yet?
Did you read?
Oh, you don't read. Maybe you can be read too.
You look silly, huh?
I finished my copy of the newspaper. Out here, I can have it.
Oh, Levi, you want newspaper?
A map of the town on the back. Currently, You are right here, right in front of the Miners Bank of Calico. Hold on that for me. You're welcome. Good luck finding food, y'all.
Thank you.
My name is feel free to ask us if you need anything.
Thank you.
And we might have some business opportunities.
Uh-oh.
We're going to rob the bank.
Ow! not with our money though. Save it.
The flowers. Hey, don't touch the flower. Don't pick the flowers. Don't pick the flowers. Don't pick the flowers.
Oh, there's a big one.
Big one.
Big one.
Yeah, come on.
Big one.
Let's go.
It's on the barn. Okay, finish looking at the horses and the sheep and then we're gonna walk back.
I'm so lost.
I almost got lost. Yeah, I see it.
That's your coffee. That's your coffee. And this is the water. That's the water.
It's not water.
Are you alright? You breathing is getting hurt again. That's 20 pound ball.
No! I want the officer to do that.
No. You already get started with something. I hear the bell going, and you're the man who knows about the mine. You gotta get down there. I'm gonna help. Come on,
Hey, let's go, everybody.
We're gonna help Flint tell everyone the bad news about how to go. Come on.
Myself and all of our constituents here in Town Hall are going to put together a plan for this, rather uninviting news. I tell you what, we will unveil that plan right here on the steps of Town Hall at 12 noon today. So come on back here just shy of an hour, and I will reveal the plan that we're going to proceed with for the rest of you. So get on out there and celebrate the best that Founders Day has to offer.
Okay? I woke up beautifully went down.
Get out of here, calls. Meet me right back.
Look at that. Seldom seen Slim's found himself a whopper.
There, Daddy.
Right there.
There, Daddy.
Yeah, no, I already know that.
Oh no, the robin's gonna take your baby.
Look at that. Oh no, I'm not taking your
The robin's
doll.
gonna take your baby.
Then I'd have to feed it and take care of it. I knew it. Yeah. Oh no, you're playing Dad? Oh my gosh. Sweet, you want to give me knuckles? There you go. Come on, buddy. I'll give you some stuff. Come on. Consolation prize. How about you guys? Yeah, there you go. I'm not taking kids, so you guys are there. Come on, big boy. Hold on, you guys got money over here? Yes, but you gotta sit down. Okay, I'm not used to being wanted. Well, there you go. Thank you. No, I thought you said alimony. Okay, you guys. Have a good one.